Hello and welcome to Ask Henry. Today in frame we have Dr. Haleema Sadia with us, who is the principal of Brightway International School. So she's going to suggest us about the change that she wants in the Indian educational system. So hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
So ma'am, suggest us what exactly, what is that one suggestion that you would like to give to the Indian educational system?
Okay, that's really a great question, but only one suggestion is really difficult to decide.
Yes.
There are many things because the change is always good,
Yes.
and we should always be ready for the change and to have the new technology.
True.
Here, I would focus on one thing that we should not overemphasize on ratification
Okay.
or like
Theoretical
yeah,
knowledge.
yes, we should not overemphasize on the informations, rather than we should emphasize on the application of the knowledge.
Okay.
And the child should be given ample opportunity to express himself,
Okay.
and there should be like sessions where the child has to think, and then the child has to give his own answer instead of just focusing on the bookish knowledge and bookish answers. So in other way, I can say that we should focus on skill development, we should focus on the application of the knowledge instead of ratification and all memorization or learning by heart. So this is my one of the suggestions. And yes, technology is something that we have to embrace with
Yes.
positivity, and we have to make the best use of technology, because children cannot live without technology. So once they are into that, we as an adult have to take it as in a positive way, and we should also give them ample opportunity to use it in the positive way.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your suggestion. Thank you.
Welcome.